This is quite the safe, actually. No matter what, you have to have this key to get into it. If for some reason you have forgotten your code, there is a second key, and it's hidden behind here where you can get into it. You have to use both keys at the same time. Turn one way, turn the other one this way in order to get into it without the code. If you have the code, which we set up a fake one, go back to the start, you press the pound key, and then you enter the code. We did that just to see. So it says open. You still have to have the key to open it. So that's basically how it works. It also comes with this little, it's kind of like a power backup. There's batteries go in there, and it's hidden underneath here. But should your batteries die on your safe, you plug this in. Basically, we tried it, but I don't have batteries in here right now. You plug this in and it gives it enough power for you to do the keypad. It comes with feet, or it comes with bolts to bolt it down. And now I locked it, but inside there is a pouch that is obviously made out of fireproof material. It's really heavy. It's got a shelf in it. But here's the pouch, and you can feel the fireproof material. But I am thoroughly impressed. I am very happy with this safe. It's exactly what I needed.
It's nice felt. Just like I did in the banks. And then I guess you just start programming it.